God bless Tinubu. God bless Tinubu. Yeah. God bless Tinubu. God bless Tinubu.
Ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo Nàìjíríà lápapọ̀ gbogbo bí tá bá ti ń gbọ́ wa. Oko ọpẹ́ la wà yìí ní jẹ́jẹ́ o. Òkè ilé ètò ẹ ṣàánú wa àdúgbò wa lélẹ́yìí o. Omi ti lé wa tẹ́ bá máa mi ò tiẹ̀ lè wọlé mo ti gba gbogbo everything.
What Lekki residents and frogs have in common? They both live on land and water. A downward evolution from mammals to amphibians. Even their cars have transformed from automobiles to submarines. I even heard that Aquaman lives in Ikate. I don't know if you have seen.
Laugh, I go cry, so it's better I laugh even if I have.
Are you ready, Minion? I can hear you. Are you ready, Minion?
See, I'm Lekki phase 1. No drainage system. 30 minutes rain, see everywhere. Hello everybody, good morning. This is what I'm facing my area at the Midland Street. From August 3 to August 4, Monday morning, my inside house, outside, was full of water.
7 years ago, all of us, Ìṣàwòrẹ́ o Ìkòròdú Greek, all of us go. Ó ti pé tiẹ̀ sí báyìí, láti wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀.
Yeah, where I won't start from.
Imagine waking up from sleep and then this is the worst nightmare somebody can ever have. Like, look at our house. Which kind of house is this? We're fucking sleeping, see everywhere, flood. We don't even know what kind of water is this. We don't even know where the water is coming from. What is this now? What kind of life is this? I swear, the water is into my pants. Never enter my own. Hey! God, people are even backing themselves. Who will back me like this? Hey, what is this like this? God.